Birthday, Miss G.
Happy birthday, Kimmy, to us.
And the rest of the second crew.
Busy sila.
Busy sila. Happy birthday to us. To you. To you. To you. This is your celebration. Grabe naman. Thank you so much. Thank you, ate.
Sabi niya pa, hindi ako binalikan ni Ate Renz. Tumatawa lang ako.